Hello everyone. Till now in math subject we had learned the place value, uh, what is the value of tens, what is the value of ones, how to write in notation and how to write the numbers name. Now we'll come to lesson number 3, that is Roman numerals. Now in this we have Hindi, Arabic. The numbers which I have written over here, this comes under Hindu Arabic words, and this comes in Roman numerals. So first we have how you write in Roman, this way we write 1. For second, like this 2 standing line will be there, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th. In schools you must have seen while writing your class, we most of the time we use Roman numerals. In this, for 9th we write like this, X will come in front, single line, that means 9th, single X, that means 10th. When it comes to 11, again 10 and 1, that is 11, 12, 10 and 1 to 12. For 13 again X and 3, that is 13. 14 again X and 4. X stands for 10, again 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. This way we write for 18, up to 18 I have written on the blackboard. But when it comes to more big number, more than 18, 19, for 1 we write like this, for Roman numbers, 5, 10. When we have to write 50, we use L. When we have to write for 50, we use L. When we have to write about 100, we use C. For 500, we use D. For 1000, we use M. So these are the Roman numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to 10 you should know it. You have to learn this so that when it comes to 11, you just have to add 10 plus 1, 11. 12, 10 plus 2, like this. Now on the page number 22, we have some definitions over here, or you can say rules of writing Roman numerals. So first is, repetition of a Roman numeral means addition. That means addition. What we are doing? We are adding it. Repetition, if it is being done, we are adding that. A smaller numerals written to the right of a larger numeral is always added to the largest number. That means bigger number will come in front, like 5 plus 1 plus 1, that will be 8. So bigger number first it will be always written. X cannot be repeated more than 3 times. That means 10. This number we can't repeat more than 3 times, like 1, 2, 3. Up to 30 we can write, that we can't extend it more than 3 times. 40 can never be written in this form. For 40, what you will say, 10, 20, 30, will add more. So 40 we can't write, we can write only up to 3x, that means 30. A numeral 5 is never subtracted, and first can be subtracted from 5th and 10th only. For numeral greater number 10, we first write number in group and 10 and ones, and then form a numeral numbers for a corresponding number. That means over here, like 1, 4, 14 is there, I'll take this example. 1 4 14 is there. So what we have written? We have written like tens and ones only. At ones place we have 4, so we have written 4. At tens place we have 10, so we have written 10. So x, whatever 10 value is there, that will come this side, and whatever number we have to write, that will come towards right hand side, that is at ones place. Like for 12, this is 10 and this is 2. 10 plus 2, 12. Addition is being done towards right side. You will never write like this. You can never write like this when you have to write 12. When you are writing for 12. Even if you are writing for 22, if you want to write x, 2. Always for right side, you can add the Roman numbers. So this was all about Roman numerals. For that, you have to write in your notebook from page number 22 over there up to 39 number they have given. Write that in your notebook in a good handwriting. Once if you have learned up to 10, rest you can write of yourself. Now on the very next page we have time. We have time concept. Over there watch is been given and you have to write time of that. First is 4 o'clock. On the second clock they had shown 8. That is 8 o'clock. On third they have written 3 o'clock is there. And for fourth one 10 o'clock is been shown there. For now just write page number 22 from 1 to 39. Thank you.